Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Business Manager connected to your page and ad account. Once done, pick a campaign objective that matches your metric: traffic for visits, conversions for sales. Make sure billing info and user roles are valid so ads can run without interruption. Then create a new campaign immediately and name it clearly for reporting. This avoids confusion later and establishes the foundation for audience, budget, and creative steps that follow. Next, you construct the audience and creative. Start by choosing core, custom, or lookalike audiences and layer detailed targeting to control reach. Once set, save the audience for reuse. Now configure budget and schedule, choose daily or lifetime, and pick a bid strategy aligned with your objective. Then upload creatives matching meta specs and craft headlines plus primary text that drive action. Make sure to preview placements and add formats. Finally, you launch and monitor actively. Once live, check delivery and performance metrics within 48 to 72 hours, CTR, CPC, frequency, and ROAS to judge early signals. If results falter, pause underperforming ads and run a /B test changing one variable at a time. Make iterative creative and targeting adjustments and scale winners cautiously. If things go wrong, first verify pixel and event setup, attribution windows, and billing status. Resolving those usually restores accurate reporting and delivery quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.